Good morning. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. We're here at Someday Farm, and I'm Steve Watson. Welcome. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is something that you can do with a piece of your practice that's very well integrated, deeply understood, familiar. So warm up, form, drill, whatever it might be. And the idea here is we're going to do it without the mind, lifeguarding the body's practice, so the body is free of the mind. That's why we don't do it with a dangerous or confusing or new part of the practice, something that we have very well integrated. And when we let the body play in the pool without the lifeguard, we, rather than having the mind in a meditative state, be off duty and asleep and dismissed, we're engaging the body in learning. I have a podcast in my ear, and I'm learning from the podcast. So my mind is doing something active and new, and my body is doing something active and old. I actually logged into whistlekickmartialartsradio.com today to listen to episode 676. So just go to whistlekickmartialartsradio.com, look for episode 676, or find it on any podcast app that you use, and try giving that a listen. Thank you very much. Remember, learning is endless, and our life is not. Make the most of your life. Here are my links. Thank you. Your support is very needed.